What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson on the left side of the page with the bottom edge of the brow. Let's start from the bottom. I'm just going to curve this up and then across towards the right. Let's overlap that first curl. We're going to go up, go around, come down, and then bend that in towards the bottom. Now going back to the brow, it's going to curl this up, going around and then bending that up. From the bottom of the brow, let's curve the bottom of the eyelid, going up and then down to right about there. Let's overlap the cheek, coming in, go up, and then out. Let's close off the side of the eye, bending this down and then in towards the cheek. Now along the bottom, we're going to draw a large oval for the outside of the iris, going up and then back down. Let's trace the iris along the inside. Add a small curve along the top for a highlight, and then fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Now I want to place the mouth just underneath the cheek. We're going to start up here, bend this down, and go across towards the left. Let's go back up to the top, draw the bottom of the mouth, going around, down, and then just tuck that up underneath. Let's add the edge of the teeth. We're going to come down and in. Let's add a point, coming down and up like a V. Continue that curve coming over towards the left. Let's go back underneath the brow and curve the muzzle coming down and then out towards the nose. And then on the end, we're going to draw a small oval all the way around. Let's add a smaller oval along the top and the center for the highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. From the bottom of the nose, let's curve the head. We're going to come down, around at the chin, and then pull that up. Let's layer the left brow underneath. We're going to start up here, bend this out, and then up, and then bend that out towards the outside. Let's tuck the eye in underneath, curving this around and then in. Now on the inside, so draw the edge of the iris coming around, and we'll fill that in black. Let's wrap the brow around the top of the left eye. We start from the side, going up, come in, and then bend that down. Let's move over and add a fold, going up, and then out. Now I'm going to go back to the bottom of the spike. We're going to draw the outside. We're going to go out, and then bend that up towards the top. Now I want to layer 4 more spikes going out towards the right. So let's start halfway down this curve, and down, and then in, bringing this down a little bit lower. Go all the way around, up, and then in towards the top. Let's add another one, halfway down the side, come around, and then in. Go all the way around the outside, up, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to go back on top of the left brow and draw the top of the head. I'm going to bend this up, go across, and then out to right about there. And we'll draw that last spike, coming around the outside, and bring that down. And I'm just going to tuck this up underneath, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.